everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 5 products that Korean makeup made me buy. So let's get started. The first one would be a cushion, and my favorite cushion is this Hera black cushion, which also comes in like a foundation form. But I first started using this cushion and then ended up loving it so much that I decided to get the foundation version, just because the foundation version contains more liquid than this cushion. But honestly, because of this cushion, I decided to try more variety of Korean cushion, but I always go back to this particular Hera one just because the shade is so perfect for me. Mine is in the shade number 25, but I love the coverage. I love that it gives me about like light to medium. It gives me such a flawless finish. The longevity is so long as well, but this is definitely my holy grail cushion in Korean cushion, and I absolutely recommend this for you guys who are starting to explore Korean beauty. This would be the perfect cushion to try, even though it's a little bit pricey, but let me tell you, like, this is definitely worth it. Second product would be Korean eyeshadows. I absolutely love Korean eyeshadows because I love how affordable they are. I love how it comes in either 4 shadow pan or 9 shadow pan or even 6 shadow pan. There's like a variety of selection to choose from. What I noticed with Korean eyeshadows is that the colors always will be suitable for like daytime look. You can try and make it into nighttime, but obviously Korean eyeshadows is completely different to Western eyeshadows. Korean ones tend to lean toward much more of the natural side, whereas Western you can like go from neutral light tone to like really smoky eye. But I feel like Korean, they're only targeting for like natural type, but again you can make like a semi smoky eye but not as like pigmented or obvious as Western ones, if that makes sense. The one I'm currently wearing right now is a new palette. This is the 3CE Buttercream Multicolored palette in the warm tone shade. I absolutely adore this because, as you can see, it has a whole bunch of neutral shades, but at the same time you get a lot of matte and glittery shades. That's the other thing I noticed about Korean eyeshadows. No matter what eyeshadow palette you get, there's always at least one glittery shade. Like, I swear, I'm pretty sure at least one glittery shade. Like, they always have that, and I believe the reason for that is just to glam up your look. And I believe that with the way I do my makeup, I always need shimmery shade, especially on the inner part, just to enlarge the eyes. So that's my theory on that. The glittery eyeshadows also come in different forms as well, from cream to stick to like like a liquid ones as well. Glittery shadow is definitely like a must-have to have. Like, they always have a whole different bunch to try, but yeah, just thought I'll mention this 3 as well. Third one would be brown eyeliners. I feel like with Korean makeup, they always use more of the brown tone rather than black, because black is probably too obvious, I guess, or too black or too dark. So they always lean towards brown because the target is always, again, natural makeup look. Using brown just helps to tone down the makeup a bit more, and I've been loving using brown liner lately just to neutralize the whole makeup look and don't make it too dark, if that makes sense. At the moment I am wearing like a brown liquid liner, and I'm using this new one that I recently tried, which is called MYEOTD, I believe, and this is the waterproof pen eyeliner, and I absolutely love this one. By the same brand as well, I decided to tan line my eyes with this brown eyeliner, and I've been loving gel liners from Korean makeup lately because it is so smooth, it's so easy to apply, and I just love it to apply on my tight line area, because like it just fills in all the gaps in between the lash line, so that it just helps to extend my eye look a little bit more. Fourth one would be blushes, and I feel like with Korean makeup, they always come in either powder form or cream form. I noticed that the cream one is definitely leaning towards much more of the air blush look. I'm actually using one right now, and this is the 3CE Multi Pot Diotima. I absolutely love this particular line just because this Multi Pot, again, is like multi-uses, from like blushes to eyeshadow to like lip as well. But this one, I use this on my face right now, and the way I like to apply this is to actually use a cushion puff and just dab it in. A lot of people do use their finger, but I don't really do that just because I feel like I don't blend it that well using my finger, so using a cushion puff actually gives me more of that airbrush look that I actually like. I also noticed with Korean makeup is that they also release a lot of like muted pink shades like this because it's much more natural. But again, this one is the 3CE face blush in mono pink, and I absolutely love this because it is very beautiful from, you know, very neutral to like dark pink if you want. Last but not least would be lip products, from lip tint to like tinted lip balm to like lipstick. But I'm just gonna mention two products here that I absolutely love right now. One would be like a lip color balm, which I did a review a while back. This is a tinted lip balm, and the best part about this is that this is cruelty free by the brand Innisfree. This is the color number 2, and I absolutely love that not only is this moisturizing, it really gives you a really nice tinted lip color on your lips. And so this is perfect if there are days where your lips are so chappy but you want a little bit of color and moisture. This would be the perfect lip balm to use. I absolutely love to combine this one right now with this Rom&nd see-through matte tint in the shade number 5. This one is an absolutely beautiful brick orangey brown shade, which I actually put on top of this tinted lip balm right now. With Korean product, you know, I can go on and on about lip tint, but I'm sure a lot of you guys know what lip tint is, and I feel like a lot of people tend to go to, you know, Korean beauty type for lip tint. You know, like lip tint has a whole bunch of ranges from, you know, matte to like shiny one to glossy one and to like waterproof one. There's just so many types in Korean makeup, and again, I can go on, but I'm just gonna feature one here because if you guys are interested in other lip tint, definitely check out some of my other reviews in here. But if not, if you want me to do other reviews on other brands lip tint that I haven't done review on, definitely put it down in the comment box below. Those are the 5 products that Korean makeup made me buy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you have purchased from Korean makeup brands, because I would definitely love to know and try out more for you guys. But if you guys are beginners and have any more questions in regards of any of these products, definitely put it down in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.